A major reshuffle for Looms, Zimbabwe's security and political establishment, as the Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF Commander General Philip Valerio Sivanda prepares to step down. A move insiders say could mark the start of his quiet transition from the barracks to the heart of the ZANU-PF politics. Samira Mashoko Brani Kwachenzi, major shake up Looms at ZDF. Don't subscribe or like on the bell like what Tibla on a move on General Sivanda's impending retirement, confirmed by multiple military sources, comes at a time of renewed factional tension between President Emmerson Mnangagwa and his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga. It is being viewed as part of Mnangagwa's broader effort to tighten his grip on both the military and the party ahead of the 2028 elections. Preparations for Sivanda's handover of command are already underway at KG6 military headquarters in Harare. The long-serving commander, who has led the ZDF since Chiwenga's elevation to the vice president in 2017, is currently on pre-retirement leave and is expected to formally step down by November 23, 2025. A handover takeover ceremony has reportedly been penciled in for November 9, with the process unfolding under Mnangagwa's direct supervision. For ZDF Director of the Public Relations Colonel Charles Mutije dismissed the report of speculative senior defense ministry officials, privately confirmed that Sivanda's departure is imminent. No official communication has been made regarding the matter, but once confirmed, the media will be informed. Mutije said Defense Minister Mchunguri Kashiri declined to comment. At 71, Sivanda exits the force with a reputation for professionalism and restraint, qualities that earned him respect even among rivals. However, his relationship with Mnangagwa has recently become more politically charged. Last year, the president controversially appointed Sivanda as an ex-official member of the ZANU-PF Politburo, a move seen as an attempt to draw the military closer to civilian politics and crucially to weaken Chiwenga's influence. The appointment, however, triggered public backlash and legal threats. Constitutional lawyer Advocate Avano Mpofu and other observers condemned the decision as unconstitutional under Section 2083 of the Constitution, which bars serving members of the security forces from engaging in partisan politics. Within weeks, Sivanda's name was quietly removed from the Politburo list, a retreat that underscored the growing tension between constitutional limits and Mnangagwa's maneuvers. Despite the clampdown, analysts believe the episode was a test run for Sivanda's post-military future. Mnangagwa was signaling his intention to reposition Sivanda within ZANU-PF as a trusted stabilizer, said a Harare-based political analyst. He wants Sivanda inside the tent, loyal, influential, and able to command respect from the security establishment without threatening his own authority. Thomas Shogaripo muri Zimbabwe panguva ino aiwa ku-ZDF. Ida comment section medu dzawafungura any more kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa musana subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.